2015 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 59,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, rear spoiler, auto climate control. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!